Hey, what's going on, scientists? It is Mr. Mauro here with your weekly rundown. Today we're going to go through and talk about, if you are home, what you should be doing. So last week we began the To Build or Not to Build project. That is a project whereby we have been asked, as a famous geologist, we've been asked by the Philadelphia Eagles to decide on a location for us to reassign, I guess, the new stadium for the Philadelphia Eagles. And we've got to choose from Iceland, coastal Alaska, or Brazil. And so you have access to this PowerPoint via Schoology, and that is over here. So today we are really just spending time, or this week we are really just spending time on kind of finishing up our job. So last week we talked about what geologic safety is, and the different resources you have available to you to use in order to Google all of the information you're going to need, essentially. These are your tools, and then your organizational tools are here, right? So we've got Iceland, we've got coastal Alaska, and we've got Brazil. And it's going to be up to you to decide, based on these criteria: earthquakes, volcanoes, tsunamis, plate boundaries, landforms, all things we've talked about that you should be familiar with, whether or not they are geologically safe to build a new stadium there. Afterwards, we're going to be using claim, evidence, and reasoning to determine or to justify our answer. So you're going to choose one of these things, either Brazil, these locations, either Brazil, coastal Alaska, or Iceland. You're going to make a claim. You're going to say, I think Iceland is, all right, we're back. A little bit of an interruption, but we're back. So we're going to make the claim. We're going to say Iceland is the best place for the stadium. We're going to say why, or what evidence you have to support that. And then you're going to tell us why it's the best place. Afterwards, you're going to use one of these venues or mediums to create some sort of presentation that keeps our interest and tells us why you arrived and how you arrived at your choice. When you're done, that is going to be clicked here. So whether you use a Flipgrid or a movie or a slideshow or anything, you're going to post that hyperlink here. And you would do that by going to post, and then let's see. Where's the thing? Oh, there's nothing there. So you could put link there, boom, and then what it's called, and then the name of the link, right? You do that just by right-clicking in this area. Link, boop, there it is. Okay. So with that being said, this is what we're working on by the end of this week. So on Monday, we're continuing to build on that. Tuesday, we're buffering in a little bit of time. That may take a little bit of extra time. And on Wednesday, we are working on the presentation. So Wednesday and Thursday, you are developing the presentation and recording it. And then on Friday, you are wrapping that up and submitting it. Remember, you are submitting it here. So I'm giving you a substantial amount of time to record that. Please make sure you're using that time effectively and efficiently. All right. Again, with any questions, please just shoot me an email, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. See you. Bye.